Hello students, today we are going to study Science and Technology Part 2. In this video, we are studying about Chapter 3, Life Processes in Living Organism Part 2. Important questions with answer. First question, fill in the blanks. In humans, sperm production occurs in the organ dash. In humans, sperm production occurs in the organ testes. In humans, dash chromosome is responsible for maleness. In humans, Y chromosome is responsible for maleness. Implantation of embryo occurs in dash. Implantation of embryo occurs in uterus. Dash type of reproduction occurs without fusion of gametes. Asexual reproduction occurs without fusion of gametes. Body breaks up into several fragments. Each fragment starts to live as a new individual. This is dash type of reproduction. Body breaks up into several fragments. Each fragment starts to live as a new individual. This is fragmentation asexual type of reproduction. Pollen grains are formed by dash division in locules of anthers. Pollen grains are formed by meiotic division in locules of anthers. Question number 2. Complete the paragraph with the help of words given in the bracket. या ठिकाणी ब्रॅकेटमध्ये काही वर्ड्स दिलेले आहेत. ते वर्ड्स या पॅरेग्राफमध्ये आपल्याला यूज करायला सांगितलेलं आहे. तर असा प्रश्न क्वेश्चन नंबर 4मध्ये 5 मार्कांसाठी सुद्धा तुम्हाला एक्झामला येऊ शकतो. वर्ड्स काय दिलेले आहेत पहा. ल्युटेनायझिंग हार्मोन, एंडोमेट्रियम ऑफ युटेरस, फॉलिकल स्टिम्युलेटिंग हार्मोन, इस्ट्रोजेन, प्रोजेस्टेरॉन, कॉर्पस ल्युटेम, वेरियन फॉलिकल अलॉंग विथ ओसाइट. Growth of follicles present in the ovary occurs under the effect of dash. This follicle secretes estrogen. Dash grows regenerates under the effect of estrogen. Under the effect of dash, fully grown up follicle bursts. Ovulation occurs. Dash is formed from remaining part of follicle. It secretes dash and dash. Under the effect these hormones, glands of dash are activated, secretes and it becomes ready for implantation. तर याची आन्सर आपण पाहणार आहोत. पहा, ग्रोथ ऑफ फॉलिकल्स प्रेझेंट इन द ओव्हरी ऑकर्स अंडर द इफेक्ट ऑफ फॉलिकल स्टिम्युलेटिंग हार्मोन. दिस फॉलिकल सिक्रेट्स इस्ट्रोजेन. ओव्हरियन फॉलिकल अलॉंग विथ oocyte grows or regenerates under the effect of estrogen. Under the effect of luteinizing hormone, fully grown up follicle bursts, ovulation occurs and corpus luteum is formed from remaining part of follicle. It secretes estrogen and progesterone. Under the effect of these hormones, glands of endometrium of uterus are activated and it becomes ready for implantation. Question number 3. Write whether the following statements are true or false with the suitable reason. First, absence of genetic recombination is an advantage, whereas fast process is drawback of asexual reproductive method. This statement is false. Correct statement is absence of genetic recombination is a drawback, whereas fast process is advantage of asexual reproductive method. Second, prokaryotes show fission which occurs either by mitosis or amitosis. Answer true. Prokaryotes show fission by both the methods, that is mitosis and amitosis. Third, during favorable conditions, multiple fission is performed by amoeba. False. During unfavorable conditions, multiple fission is performed by amoeba. Any encysted amoeba or any other protist is called cyst. True. Cyst is the tough capsule like structure which keeps the protist dormant inside it. This helps the organisms to tide over unfavorable conditions. If the body of cycon breaks up accidentally into only large and few fragments, then only each fragment is develops into new cycon. False. If the body of cycon breaks up accidentally into many fragments, each fragment develops into a cycon. Because the capacity to regenerate is very strong in poriferan cycon, even a small piece of parent cycon can give rise to entire new individual. Next, pollen tube reaches the zygote via style. False. Pollen tube reaches the embryo sac via style. Later, double fertilization takes place and the zygote and endosperm is formed. There is glucose sugar in the semen. False. There is fructose sugar in the semen. Glucose is not present in semen. Out of 2 to 4 million ova, approximately only 400 oocytes are released up to the age of menopause. True, during the reproductive span of woman from menarche to menopause, only one oocyte per 1 month is released in the span of 30 to 35 years. During menstruation, there is need of rest along with special personal hygiene. True, during phase of menstruation, there is pain and bleeding in woman. Her body is also susceptible for infections. There is weakness and hence she needs rest along with special personal hygiene. Question number 4. Find the odd one out. Circulation, reproduction, excretion, sensation. Here odd is reproduction. All others are processes necessary for survival of the individual. Second, budding in hydra, regeneration, binary fission and fragmentation. Odd is binary fission. All others are processes of asexual reproduction in multicellular organism. Carrot, radish, potato, sweet potato. Odd is potato. All others are edible roots. Vas deferens, prostate gland, epididymis. Odd is prostate gland. All others are duct system in male reproductive system. Next, prostate gland, Bartholin's gland, Cowper's and epididymis. Odd is Bartholin's gland. All others are part of male reproductive system. Question number 5. Identify the correlation between the first two words and suggest the suitable word in the fourth place. Amoeba, fission. Hydra, budding. Here methods of reproduction. Amoeba, fission, hydra, budding. Transverse binary fission, paramecium. Longitudinal binary fission, euglena. Calyx, sepals. Corolla, petals. Accessory holes, calyx and corolla. Essential holes, androecium and gynoecium. Bisexual flower, hibiscus. Unisexual flower, papaya. FSH, development of oocyte. LH, ovulation. Define the following. Budding in yeast. Budding is the asexual reproductive process in which a small bulge on bud appears on the surface of parent cell as seen in unicellular yeast. Budding in hydra. Budding in hydra is a sexual reproductive process in which an outgrowth is formed by repeated divisions of regenerative cells of the wall called bud. Regeneration. Regeneration is the asexual reproduction in planaria in which the body is broken up into two parts and resulting each part regenerates remaining part of the body. Fragmentation. Fragmentation is the asexual type of reproduction in which the body of parent organisms breaks up into many fragments. Each fragment can start living independently. Vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation is a type of asexual reproduction in plants that takes place with the help of vegetative part like root, stem, leaf and bud. Fertilization, the process by which two haploid gametes unite to form diploid zygote is called fertilization. Pedicle, the stalk of the flower which is for the support is called pedicle. Pollination, transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma is called pollination. Self-pollination, pollination involving only one flower or two flowers born on same plant is called self-pollination. And next, cross-pollination, pollination involving two flowers born on two plants of same species is called cross-pollination. Question number 6. Name the following. Hormones related with male reproductive system. Follicle stimulating hormone and ICSH or luteinizing hormone secreted by pituitary glands, testosterone secreted by testes. These are the hormones related with male reproductive system. Different gland associated with male reproductive system. Seminal vesicle, prostate gland, Cowper's or bulbourethral glands are the glands associated with male reproductive system. Hormones secreted by ovary of female reproductive system. Estrogen and progesterone, these two hormones are secreted by female reproductive system. Two accessory holes in flower, calyx and corolla, are the two accessory holes in flower. Two essential holes in flower, androecium and gynoecium, are the two essential holes in flower. Types of twins. Monozygotic twins, Siamese twins and dizygotic twins are the types of twins. The modern technique in reproduction. In vitro fertilization, surrogate mother and sperm bank are the modern techniques in reproduction. Any two sexual diseases, gonorrhea, syphilis, AIDS, these are the sexual disease. Symptoms of gonorrhea. Painful and burning sensation during urination, oozing of pus through penis and vagina, inflammation of urinary tract, anus, throat, eyes, etc. These are the symptoms of gonorrhea. Symptoms of syphilis. Occurrence of cancer or patches on various parts of the body including genitals, rash, fever, inflammation of joints, alopecia. These are the symptoms of syphilis. Methods of family planning. Use of copper tea, condoms, oral contraceptive pills. These are the methods of family planning. Write the functions of the following organs. Sporangium. storing the spores and releasing them by bursting. Calyx, protection of inner holes of the flower. Corolla, attracting insects for pollination, protecting inner holes. Androecium, production of pollen grains, the male gametes of flower. Gynoecium, production of female gamete of flower, participating in production of fruits. Endosperm, nourishment of the growing embryo. Testes, production of sperms and male hormone testosterone. Scrotum, protection and temperature control of testes. Seminal vesicles, secretion of seminal fluid which forms major portion of semen, nourishment of sperms. Penis, transferring of sperms to vagina at the time of intercourse, release of urine at the time of urination. Ovary, production of oocytes and female hormones, estrogen and progesterone. Uterus, growth and development of fetus during pregnancy. Question number 9. Answer in one sentence. What is reproduction? The process by which creation of living organisms of the same kind help to maintain the continuity of the species of that organism is called reproduction. Second question. What is asexual reproduction? Reproduction involving only one parent without the gametes or formation of zygote is called asexual reproduction. What is the length of epididymis? The length of epididymis is about 6 meters. What is the length of sperm? The length of sperm is about 60 micrometers. Do like and share this video. Thank you.